Monkey travels to Vegas to fix his nervous system. The monkey feels terrible. Brain fog, bad sleep, stomach issues. Heart racing because someone said his name slightly louder than expected. Constant low-grade anxiety with no identified source. He's checked. There's no source. He goes to the elder monkey. The elder monkey examines him for a very long time. Takes his pulse, stares into his eyes, writes something on a small piece of paper, folds it, puts it in his pocket, and never mentions it again. Then says,
"Your vagus nerve is destroyed."
The monkey nods seriously. "The vagus nerve?" he says.
"Yes,"
says the elder monkey. "I need to go to Vegas."
"That is one interpretation,"
says the elder monkey. The monkey is already packing. Jungle Vegas is exactly what you'd expect from a place that exists because a monkey misread a medical term. Loud, bright, absolutely packed with monkeys who haven't slept since a previous administration. There are slot machines, there are energy drinks with names like Primal Surge and Focus Beast, and one simply called Screaming! There is a banana buffet that has been open continuously since 1987 and smells like it. The monkey walks in and immediately feels stimulated. He does not feel better. He asks a slot machine monkey where the vagus nerve repair shop is. The slot machine monkey hands him a free sample of Screaming. The monkey drinks it. Something behind his left eye starts vibrating. He decides that is probably healing. Here is what is actually happening inside the monkey's body, which he cannot see because he's busy looking for a nerve shop in a fictional jungle casino. The vagus nerve runs from the brainstem all the way down through the neck, chest, and gut. It is the longest nerve in the body. It controls heart rate, breathing, digestion, inflammation, and something called vagal tone, which is basically how good your nervous system is at calming itself down after something stressful happens. High vagal tone, stress happens, you recover, life continues. Low vagal tone, stress happens, your body just stays in the stress indefinitely. Like a fire alarm that nobody turns off. You get used to the noise, but it's still running. Everything is still on fire, technically. The monkey's vagal tone is currently what scientists would describe as not great, and what the monkey would describe as, I don't know what that means, but I feel like I'm dying slowly. The sympathetic nervous system is the fight or flight system. The parasympathetic nervous system, controlled largely by the vagus nerve, is the calm down, nothing is happening system. These two are supposed to take turns. In Jungle Vegas, the sympathetic nervous system has not taken a break in 4 days. Loud noise! Threat detected. Phone buzzing! Threat detected. Buffet out of banana muffins! Significant threat detected. Cortisol levels rising. The monkey's body cannot distinguish between a predator and a slot machine with poor volume control. To the nervous system, stress is stress. Every ding, every flash, every unexpected interaction fires the same alarm. And every time the alarm fires without recovery, the vagus nerve gets quieter. The monkey is in the single worst possible location for the problem he came to fix. He's having a great time, sort of. His hands won't stop shaking, but he assumes that's the healing working. Day 2. The monkey's stomach stages a formal protest. Bloating, cramps, general internal chaos, a feeling like something small and unreasonable has taken up residence in his gut and is opposed to everything he eats. This is also the vagus nerve. 90% of vagus nerve signals travel upward. Gut to brain, not brain to gut. The gut has its own nervous system, its own bacteria, its own entire situation going on down there, and it communicates with the brain through the vagus nerve constantly. When the vagus nerve stops working properly, the gut stops getting the memo. Digestion slows. Bacteria gets weird. The whole system starts sending increasingly unhinged messages upward that the brain receives as, something is wrong. We don't know what. Everything feels bad. The monkey orders a smoothie called Jungle Cleanse Restore Balance Wellness Banana Blast. It has 11 ingredients, none of which interact well with each other. His stomach adds a second formal protest on top of the first one. Day 3. The monkey cannot sleep. He is lying in his hotel room at 2 a.m., completely exhausted, completely unable to sleep, staring at a ceiling mural of a banana that seems to be staring back. This is also, for the record, the vagus nerve. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It is supposed to drop at night so the body can run its maintenance cycle, repair tissue, consolidate memories, reset everything for tomorrow. The monkey's cortisol did not drop. The monkey's cortisol went to the buffet, got a second plate, found some friends, and is currently having the time of its life. His body has forgotten what rest feels like. Not tired rest, where you sleep because you're exhausted. Real rest. the kind where the nervous system actually powers down instead of just running at slightly lower volume in a dark room. At 3 a.m., he picks up his phone. At 7 a.m., he is somehow subscribed to a llama ASMR channel with 200,000 followers. He watches 4 episodes. He does not feel rested. He feels like a man who just watched 4 hours of llama ASMR at 3 a.m., which is what he is. Day 4. The monkey is a husk. Brain fog so thick he spent 20 minutes looking for his phone while holding his phone. Anxiety present but unattributed, like background music in a horror movie. Nothing has happened yet, but something is definitely about to. Heart rate elevated from walking to the bathroom, jaw clenched, shoulders somewhere near his ears, breathing shallow, fast, the kind of breathing that tells the nervous system, we are in danger, stay ready, do not relax under any circumstances. Every symptom he arrived with has gotten significantly worse. He sits down on the casino floor. A pamphlet blows into his face. He peels it off his face, he reads it. The vagus nerve, your body's built-in reset button, located inside the human body. The monkey stares at this sentence for a long time. A slot machine goes ding. Inside, says the monkey. Nobody responds. My body, says the monkey. The slot machine goes ding again. The monkey looks down at his body. His body, which has been trying to tell him this for 4 days in a variety of increasingly obvious ways, offers no additional comment. The monkey reads the whole pamphlet again. Then he sits very still for a moment and does the one thing the pamphlet says to do first. He breathes out slowly. Longer exhale than inhale. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. The extended exhale directly activates the vagus nerve, signals the parasympathetic system, tells the body, no threat, nothing is on fire. You can stop now. His heart rate drops slightly. He does it again. It drops a little more. He's sitting on a casino floor in jungle Vegas doing breathing exercises while a pelican watches him from 3 feet away, and it is the most effective medical intervention he has encountered in 4 days. He splashes cold water on his face in the casino bathroom. This triggers the dive reflex, which slows heart rate immediately through direct vagal activation. Therapists recommend it. Athletes use it. The monkey uses it standing over a casino sink at 4 p.m. on a Tuesday. It works immediately. He stands there dripping and considers the series of decisions that led him here. He walks outside, not to go anywhere, just walks. Slow, rhythmic, no destination. The nervous system registers this as safe movement in a non-threatening environment. Vagal tone goes up, cortisol goes down. It is a parking lot. There's a discarded screaming can near the entrance. A taxi monkey honks at him for no clear reason. There are 2 small trees near the valet stand. The monkey stands near the trees for a while. It is the best he has felt in 4 days, and he is standing next to a valet stand. He calls the monkey he never texted back. She picks up. They talk for a long time. He doesn't look at anything else while they're talking, he just talks. The vagus nerve has an entire branch dedicated to reading faces and voices. When you feel genuinely safe with another person, vagal tone goes up. Your nervous system uses social connection as direct evidence that the world is not currently ending. His hands stop shaking around minute 8. He notices this and doesn't say anything about it. He checks out of Jungle Vegas. It is 8:15 p.m. Weeks pass. The monkey breathes slowly, walks outside, sleeps in an actual dark room before midnight like someone who has made peace with being alive, eats meals without a screen, calls his friends, gets sunlight in the morning. His HRV climbs, his stomach settles, his brain works at a level that, compared to before, feels almost suspicious. He is not a different monkey, he's the same monkey with a functioning nervous system. It turns out those are very different things. He goes back to the elder monkey. I fixed it, he says, from inside my body where it was located. The elder monkey nods.
You have done well.
Pause.
The casino called.
Pause.
You owe them 4,000 bananas.
The monkey looks at him. You knew.
Yes.
The whole time.
Yes.
You sent me to Vegas knowing it was inside my body.
The casino and I have a long-standing arrangement.
The monkey opens his mouth, closes it. How long?
17 years.
The monkey stands there for a moment. I want to be upset, he says, but honestly, the trip helped.
It did,
says the elder monkey.
That was the plan.
Was it, though? Long pause.
Partially.
If your body feels like it has been to Vegas without any of the fun parts, the monkey understands. He has been there, literally. Like this video, subscribe if you want more. It keeps the bananas coming, and unlike the Jungle Vegas buffet, These ones won't make your stomach file a formal protest.